Kurumirira riendekithia ria Mutongoria wa Bururi William Ruto ria Gukieherio gwa Guthurima kwa andu aria Maikaraga Hakuhi na Mihaka, riu thirikari hamwe na makomishona akaunti iria andu ao Maikaraga Hakuhi na Mihaka ni mahaririirie kigomano thukuru-ini wa thirikari wa Kenya School of Government mwena wa Kabete, kaunti ya Nairobi, niguo kuruguria mutaratara mweru wa kuheana kandi cia kiriu cia Maisha Namba.
We have had a workshop on the occasion of rollout of vacational vetting in our border counties. As you may be aware, His Excellency the President, on the eve of Eid al-Fitr, directed that vetting be abolished from 1st of May this year. So we called upon a meeting between all the registrars of National Registration Bureau and all the RCs and county commissioners to be able to engage with them on the modalities of implementation of the presidential directive.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mwandiki mukaru wa ruhonge rwa uthami na motungata ma muingi bururi-ini Professor Julius Bito augite ati kwambirira mweri ukite wa May ni gukorwo gukieherio guthurimo kwa Kenya na andu othe bururi-ini magukorwo magitungatiro mateguthutukanio. Ni augite ati thirikari igukorwo ikihuthira mitambo ya kiriu hari uheani wa Maisha Namba. Kandi eno ya Maisha Namba igukorwo ikihuthirwo ni a Kenya muturire-ini wao.
Assure the country that we are ready and we have put in place strategies and plans to ensure that starting on 1st of May this year, there will be no longer vetting for security, for IDs, for passports, and for birth certificates. All Kenyans will be treated equal, and we have said we are going to utilize technology to ensure that we no longer need vetting. We are encouraging all persons to be registered at birth or they be registered in school. That will be able to help us to be able to deal with this issue.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Raymond Omoro augite ati thirikari ni gathikite mitaratara ya gutigirira kuri na ugitiri mihaka-ini niguo kuhurana na itoi iria iraingira bururi-ini. Raymond augite ati mutaratara uyu wa kiriu wa Maisha Namba ni gukorwo ukirehe wiganani hari a Kenya wigiririki hamwe na waragania thirikari-ini.
Greater accountability and transparency in the issuance of ID cards and ensures that Kenyans are issued with identification documents without compromising the security of the country.
Fotera Muthingi TV, Geto wa Boy wa Mugo.